Okay, guys, you might be wondering why it sounds so loud. Is that I'm wearing my brother's old headphones. So, yeah, this might be a short Roblox video because the last time I tried to post my Forsaken video, it just said that it was too long. Yeah, so it said I need to verification, something like that. So, yeah. Let's pause it real quick. Today we are going to be playing Natural Disaster Survival. As you could see, my avatar, oh, I want to change it back to that weird one. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What the heck is that? Wait, let me use this. Oh, that's a man. That's a man. Anyways. Oh, I love it. Shout out to this VR girl, Sid K. Gender. Yay. Kudu 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 ding. Yay. Yeah. I'm just spinning her around her. It's just so random. Yay, mama. Anyways, let's get started. This video is only gonna be, I'd say, only 5 minutes. So I'm gonna be looking at this little thing constantly. I'm gonna move it up there so it can be more noticeable. Okay. So, wait. Okay, guys. If you're like trying to stay up, please put your volume down because I'm about to scream at this mic. I changed my mind. I put the mic in my mouth so it could be loud. Let me try again. Not Spanish. No. Wait. Wait, I changed my mind. 9 minutes. That's gonna be the video. No, 7. Oh, this girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. Wait, why does it sound so satisfying when I take a bite of the apple? Oh my god, I don't know if you guys could hear, but it sounds so satisfying. Yeah. Go. I'm beating it, guys. I am conquesting it. And never mind. And I'm still praying on the butcher's vein. Sunray on the butcher's vein. Ooh, that's a bit loud. Wait. Heck. Oh, heck no. It's only like 3 players in the server. Me. Well, you can take a look. That's me. Sorry, excuse me for that one. Okay, then that's me. If you want to add me on Roblox, there's my username right there. If you're an old man, please do not add me, cause if you're like Diddy Part 2 if you're an old man watching this. So please leave if you're an old man. This is like probably like I'd say only 12-year-olds could join this. Or like just kids only, actually, just kids, because I've been seeing like 40-year-olds watching my channel, and 40 to 50 people, like not 40 to 50, oh my god, I keep stuttering, but it's like 50-year-old people on here that are watching my videos. Fire. Yum. Oh, crap, that's loud. But I'm still praying on the butcher's vein. So I'm praying on the butcher's vein. Wait. They say gluttony's a sin. I forgot the rest, honestly. So I'm still praying on the butcher's vein. So I'm playing on the butcher's vein. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Well, I died. So grab a plate, have a taste, and I'm still praying on the butcher's vein. So I'm praying on the butcher's vein. Butchers. I meant to say butchers. The name of the song is Butcher's Vanity, and it is so good. It's not Butcher's Vein, so do not search up Butcher's Vein. It's Butcher's Vanity. They say my hungry. No problem. Anyways, I'll get back to the video. I'm gonna skip until I'm in another survival thing. Yay. Wait. Bro, stop. Stop it. Actually, guys, I'm gonna just make a part 2 because I feel like this video is not gonna allow me to post it anymore. But you'll see if it does.